Thanks for being with us tonight. At least 4 tornadoes touched down in Iowa last night. The good news, though, no serious injuries.
But the storms definitely left their mark. This afternoon, Governor Reynolds issued disaster declarations for 7 counties. The list includes Hancock County, where WHO 13 Stephanie Johnson toured the damage this afternoon.
Yeah, guys, I'm in the city of Kanawha, where a tornado touched down just last night. Fortunately, the city did not report any deaths or injuries, but I spoke to one resident who says that she will never forget the sound she heard last night. Petty Graham says she took cover in her basement during the storm. Luckily, her home was not damaged.
It was crazy. Yeah, we all heard the wind and all the hail and the rain, and of course, wondering what was going on out here. We didn't know for sure.
I started here in Corwith, got hit pretty hard, and we thought it was going to miss us, but all of a sudden the wind really picked up pretty bad, and then you could see the shift in the change of the clouds. It came down.
Across the city, the growl of chainsaws was the only sound you heard across the town. And you saw neighbors helping neighbors in this small city of 700 people.
So we came out and looked out the backyard. And
Neighbors like Terry Johnson, who cleared trees away from the home next door.
our neighbor lady, she passed away here now earlier this summer. We went over and helped clean up her yard, just be a neighborly. It's a community effort. I mean, everybody helps everybody out.
It's really neighbors helping neighbors here. The city says that cleanup should be finished before the end of the night. They also say that if anyone is in need of help, they should contact City Hall. In the city of Kanawha, Stephanie Johnson, WHO 13 News.